Imagine mo ni-run mo yung e-commerce brand mo, kung nasan yung product research mo, social media mo, customer support mo, even pag-build ng mga websites mo. Lahat yan ng automate, kahit natulog ka, nagagawa yan. Inisip na iba, pwede to maging scam or too good to be true. 5 years ago, baka yun pa pwedeng sabihin ng iba. Pero ngayon, ito na yung bare minimum dahil meron ng AI. So right now, papakita ko sa iyo 4 automations or ways na pwede gamitin si AI para maging machine yung business mo right now. Kasi madaming mga business owners, ginagamit pa rin si AI parang laruan. So kung pagod ka na mag-micromanage ng staff, or pagod ka sa mga human error, nagkakaroon ka pa ng mga extra gastos, yung video na to at yung roadmap na to will be for you. So bigyan mo ko 10 minutes and I'll change how you view yung operations mo sa business mo forever. So hi, my name is Jez Mines and I've done more than 100 million plus in sales online using AI and e-commerce, and I'll show you how you can apply it sa business mo as well. So in this video, I'll show you 4 automations, and if you stay until the end, meron din ako ibibigay sa'yo na secret AI website database where I get the cheapest tools na ginagamit ko yung tools na to per use instead of monthly subscription. So, ang laki ng natitipid ko. Now, disclaimer, yung video na to is more of high-level decision making and anong tools yung ginagamit ko. Alam mo naman na madali na makahanap ng mga in-depth tutorials elsewhere. So, the very first automation na ituturo ko sa inyo is yung pag-product research mo. So, the tool na ginagamit ko dito is Acquio. Si Acquio is actually created by Alibaba. So, nung pumunta kami ng China, nakita talaga namin na ito yung mga tools na ginagamit nila so that madali na makapag-create ng mga products yung mga sellers. Madali na yung mga brand owners makapag-create ng mga products na alam nilang bumibenta. Paano? Acquio is actually using AI agents. So AI agents, these are digital robots na may sarili silang desktop or laptop nila na gumagalaw sila all over the internet, that they are really searching for ano yung pinapagawa mo sa kanila. Unlike traditional ChatGPT or mag-generate lang siya ng text na mag-predict lang siya, ito talaga is para kang merong assistant. Pero itong tool na to is specifically for product research and product creation. Now, yung AI na to, magbibigay siya ng suggestion ng product para sa'yo, papakita niya yung research, magbibigay din siya ng mga product mock-ups na AI generated din. Tapos the best part is connected siya with Alibaba. So makikita mo talaga dito ano yung mga products and manufacturers and suppliers na readily available to get the product that you want. Why is this important? Imagine mo to, in China, 60,000 products per day ang nila-launch nila. And with that, hindi natin alam kung ano dun yung winners and losers, but of course, with numbers game, meron talaga dyan mag-hit off. Ganun din dapat tayo. Dapat nakikita natin kung ano yung mga dapat pwede natin ma-launch, ano yung pwede natin matry, and magagawa yun kaysa we're always using our brain to ideate new products. Gumamit na lang tayo ng AI na mas alam pa yung data kesa sa atin. So that's Acquio. Number 2, ito na yung gagamitin mo si Gemini for you to be able to create carousel images para sa social media postings mo. So this one is a big one. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa kanya. Step number 1 is kailangan mo maghanap ng YouTube video. So ako gagamitin ko YouTube video ko and then ipipaste ko siya kay Gemini since Google owns Gemini and Google owns YouTube. So mababasa niya yung video na yon. And then what happens next is sasabihin ko lang i-analyze niya yung video na to. Pero kailangan naka-pro version ka ng thinking. Don't worry, may pro version pa rin naman kahit naka-free ka. Then, a-analyze niya yung video. From the analyzed video, gagawin mo lang is sasabihin mo sa kanya, create a series of carousel images. And from that, makakapag-create na siya ng multiple images ready na for social media posting. I-match mo na lang sa brand mo kung kailangan. Why is this important? Because AI is now going to remove people sa social media na mag-manage. Kasi at just one click or a few clicks and a few prompts with AI, kaya mo na ma-produce yung result na mag-hire ka pa ng virtual assistant. With this, magiging cheaper talaga yung negosyo mo kasi wala kang masyadong overhead or binabayaran ng mga tao. Number 3 is AI customer support. Ito yung mga ginagamit naming tools. Number 1, Chat Fuel. Number 2, Chatbot Builder. Number 3, Botcake AI. So yan ang mga tools na pwede mong gamitin. Check na lang which one is the best fit for you. Iba-iba kasi mga pricing nila and sometimes iba-iba yung needs per business. Pero at least nakita mo na ano yung mga AI tools that are actually working at hindi lang customer support, kaya din nila magbenta as long as ma-instruct mo din si AI ng maayos. But make sure to always double check yung napoproduce nilang output. So why is this important? Because madami tayong hinahire online ng mga virtual assistants to do CSR work. Sila yung magbebenta, handle ng customer support. Pero ang problem doon, sometimes they don't reply as fast. Kailangan mo sila i-training. Pag mali sinabi nila, it hurts your brand. But right now, ang ginagawa namin is taga-manage na lang ng AI yung mga tao namin, yung mga dati naming CSR. Tapos yung mga dati naming CSR, AI na. AI na yung magre-reply, mag-chat, magre-respond. So yun na na ang mangyayari. The future of customer support is going to be very AI-powered. So why is this important? Because you need to be able to face facts that AI is now going to handle a lot of customer experience for us, customer support for us, and they're going to be even better. Lastly, number 4, if kung gusto mo mag-build ng mga websites and mga tools and app, then Lovable is the perfect AI tool for you. Now, nagpartner si Lovable and Shopify. Si Shopify is one of the best store builders out there. Pinakasikat yan, pinaka-trusted, and siya na yung isa mga pinakamatagal. So, nagsama si Lovable and si Shopify. Pag nagpartner yung dalawa, you just have to prompt in Lovable, makakapag-create ka ng Shopify store in 10 to 15 minutes or less. Tapos, aayusin mo na lang yung settings sa checkout. Sobrang one of the best innovations na nangyayari ngayon. It's not anymore hard to be able to create stores and websites. You just have to talk to AI, and also you have to be able to just upload photos dun sa chat. Tapos kaya na i-build yung website para sa inyo. Why is this important? Because ngayon sa AI race, or ngayon meron na tayong AI, kailangan mo malaman na hindi mo kailangan paggawa lahat sa mga VA. Hindi sila na yung gagawa ng mga websites para sa'yo. Charge ka pa ng malaki. Pwede mo naman yun magawa mag-isa. But of course, design-wise and everything, kailangan marunong ka pa rin i-prompt yun kay AI. So, you can give AI examples, or i-model mo siya sa mga websites na kilala mo. So, isa yun sa mga tip na pwede kong mabigay. Those are the 4 tools na ginagamit namin. Pag ginamit mo lahat yan, mapapadali na lahat from building your stores, customer support, paghahanap ng products, and more. So, kailangan i-maximize mo na si AI. So, kung gusto mo pa na more in-depth trainings, kinda like this one, then check out Exponential University. As of this moment, we already have 2,000 plus active users na gumagamit ng Exponential University. We're the first in the Philippines na Netflix of business and personal development here. Madami na kami pumapasok na new courses every single week. Now, as promised, ito yung QR code kung saan yung mga cheapest AI tools. Makikita mo din dito yung Sora 2, makikita mo dito yung mga video and photo AI generator tools na magagamit mo lang sila per use, hindi monthly subscription yung kailangan. So, a few final notes na kailangan mong malaman is you have to go all in on AI. It's one of the biggest disruptions since the internet, since electricity, industrial age, and everything combined. Kailangan mo talaga mag-all in dito because it's going to shape how we live. It's going to shape how we communicate, how we buy, everything. Ngayon, it's now starting to replace work, but in the future, it's going to be really integrated sa life natin. So you have to be able to really go all in. Pagkapunta namin ng China, nakita na namin 15 years into the future. It's kind of like traveling to the future. And you really have to prepare because so much is going to happen in Southeast Asia. Ang daming mga changes na mangyayari and everything is going to run on AI. So if nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please hit subscribe, tulungan mo tayo mag-grow yung channel na to, and click the notification bell kasi magkakaroon tayo ng series of how to be able to use AI para sa business mo.